Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today is Easter, so I am going to make a cute little greeting card for all of you. For that, I am taking this A4 size pink color sheet and a white color sheet. Okay, a scissor, a sketch pen. So let's start. First of all, I am folding this A4 size sheet paper into half. Like this. Okay. And in the similar way, we'll fold the pink sheet into half. Like this. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to draw a bunny rabbit on the white sheet paper and then we will paste it here. So basically it's a pop-up card. Okay, so let's draw the bunny rabbit first. Okay, now we'll draw a bunny rabbit on white sheet paper. Let's start drawing. Okay. Draw the teeth. And now the eyes. Nose. Now we'll draw the ears. Now the second ear. Okay. Now we'll draw the hands of rabbit. Okay, so our drawing is complete. Now just cut it out with the help of scissors. We'll cut out that bunny with scissors. Okay, so I have cut out the rabbit and I got this shape. Like I have cut it like this. It is attached in between. Okay, I have not cut it completely. A single attached is here. So now I will paste it over my greeting card. This is my pink sheet, folded sheet. Place it here and will paste that bunny like this over that card. Just apply some glue and paste it. Apply some glue inside we will paste it over the pink card. Okay, so I have applied the glue. Now I am going to paste it. Just place it in the center and press it gently to paste the sheet like this. Now we paste it. Paste a bunny rabbit here. Okay, so I have pasted it. Now let it dry first. Okay, now it's completely dried up. Now start coloring it. First of all, color the eyes with black sketch pen. Now make some hair. Now we'll do pink color in ears, in nose, and some color here. And brows. So our coloring in cute bunny rabbit is complete. Now we have to make a pop-up card. So I have taken this strip of paper, white paper, you can see that it's that paper, and I have just folded it, and we will paste that strip like that to create pop-up effect. Like that. I will paste it by applying some glue. First of all, I will cut it. Now I will apply glue on the both sides and will paste it like this. Fold it from both sides and then paste it inside the greeting card. Apply some glue at the both ends. Okay, so I have applied glue on both sides. Now I am going to paste it on both sides. In the same way, I will paste one more strip like this. Okay, paste that strip here and let it dry out completely. Similarly, I will paste a strip here also. Okay, so I have pasted the third strip also. Now let it dry out completely. Okay, now we will draw 3 Easter eggs to paste inside the card. For that, I have taken this green color sheet. Now draw an Easter egg. And just cut it out. Cut it with the scissor. Okay, so I have cut out a green color Easter egg. We'll draw eyes on it. To make it more funky. Now we'll draw a happy face with red color. Okay, now I will cut out an orange color Easter egg. For this I have taken orange color sheet. Let's draw an Easter egg on that sheet. And again just cut it out. Cut it out with scissors. Okay, so I have cut out the orange color Easter egg. Now we'll draw again a happy face. And it's ready. Just we will do red color inside the mouth. And another happy egg is ready. Now we'll make one more with red color sheet. I have taken up this red color sheet. Draw an Easter egg. And just cut this out also with scissors. Okay, so our red egg is here. Again, now draw a funky face. Okay, now fill it with red color. Cheeks. And our 3 funky Easter eggs are ready. And the orange. Now we'll paste these eggs inside the card. Okay, so this is our bunny card. Now we'll arrange these eggs inside the card. Paste red egg like this and then arrange the green one behind that, or you can arrange like this. No, I'll arrange like this. And lastly, the third one. Paste it like this. Arrange these 3 eggs with the help of glue inside the card. Okay, firstly I am taking up this green color egg. Apply some glue over it. And now just paste it like this. Now we'll take orange color egg. Apply some glue to it also. And again paste it here. Now take up the red one. We will paste it in the center. Apply some glue and paste it here. Okay. All the 3 eggs are adjusted inside the card. Now we'll make some ribbons with brush pen. Green color brush pen I'm using. And make some stars. Nice. Wow. Now we'll write down here with green color sketch pen, Happy Easter. So our Easter card is ready. Friends, if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Happy Easter to everyone.